Hi everyone, today we're going to review screen mirror software. With that you can connect to your phone, in this case an Android phone, and well this only works for Android actually, and use it in a window in your computer. And by computer I mean your Windows computer, your Mac computer, or your Linux computer. Actually I'm running Linux at this moment. So the easiest way to do it, I mean, and I'm showing my phone already here. This is my phone. I was reading like Developer Express website. Well, the easiest way to do it is just go to the website and check the documentation. I'm going to watch it in my phone actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and paste the URL because I wanted to show you that you can copy stuff that you have in your local clipboard to your phone by just copy and paste Control C, Control V, and it works amazingly. So the name of the project is Scrcpy, which I think stands for screen copy. They don't explain the reason of the name here. And to install it is like really easy. It's just one command. Let's check the README. Let's see full README. And as you can see, it's like really fast. So in here they say that if you are on Linux, you need to run apt install and then the name of the package. If you're in Windows, you need to download the zip file, but the name of the command is exactly the same. You can use also the package manager. I don't use it on Windows. I think it's a new stuff. Uh, at least for me, I watch it over build. They have like the stuff regarding package manager. I will do a video on that later. You can also run it on macOS. If you have hombrew installed, which is the package manager for Mac, you can just run this command and you will have this tool in your system. And then to execute it is really easy. Just only need to run this command, which I already did because you're seeing my phone there. So the neat thing about this screen mirror software is that it's not only that, it's like really full of features. You can change the frame rate, the size. So to do technical demonstration, I think it's amazing. And you can also record the screen. And they have a list here of shortcuts, of commands. Let's check. See, the documentation is quite nice. It looks really big because I'm watching it in my phone, but in general, it's like something like really easy to work with. So here they have the shortcut list. So, for example, if let's try one. Well, to go to your home screen, I think it's Control H and yes, see Control H. So let's Control and H. This will go back to my home screen. And as you can see, it's really neat. It works really fine. And I think that the best way to understand it is just to play with it. It's just two lines of commands to install it and one to run it. And if you are using a pay software for screen mirroring, forget about it. Use this. I try all of them. All of them have, I mean, most of them are decent, but there is always something broken or that doesn't work like you will want it to work. But in this case, I think this is amazing. So you can see here in like even YouTube works like really fast. The video, you can stream video, I mean, with sound and everything, and it will be like blazing fast in general, as the same speed as your phone is working. So I do a lot of Xamarin development, so this is an amazing tool for me. And I will create a separate video to show how to run this on Windows, but um, if you're going to run it on Linux or Mac, this is how it goes, and it's really easy. Well, guys, I just wanted to show you this because I think it's a great discovery. I've been using it for like 2 weeks already, maybe almost three, and I think that is something that uh, can make your day more productive in general. So, well, that's it for this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye, take care.